On 23 December 2025, the United States launched Operation Hawkeye Strike in Syria. It came as a direct response to an attack on US forces in Palmyra. The operation hit Islamic State infrastructure and weapons facilities. It signals a strong US counterterrorism stance in the West Asian region. The Islamic State, also called ISIS, is a Sunni extremist terrorist group. It evolved from Al-Qaeda in Iraq and once declared a caliphate. In India, IS and its offshoots are banned under the Unlawful Activities Act, 1967. Syria is in West Asia, bordered by Turkey, Iraq, Jordan, Israel and Lebanon, with a Mediterranean coastline. Conflict zones include Aleppo, Homs, Idlib, and the disputed Golan Heights, making every strike regionally sensitive.